To remove the headlight, it is necessary to detach the front bumper from the side. First, loosen the screws of the wheel housing liner. After the screws are removed, push the wheel housing liner a bit to the side and remove the screw to the fender. It is screwed from bottom to top. Then pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. Open the hood and remove the 4 screws of the radiator grille. Then pull the grille forward out of the bumper. Remove the screws underneath. Now you can pull the bumper forward and you have enough space to remove the headlight. Remove all the screws of the headlight. And disconnect the plug on the backside. To release the lock of the plug, put in a screwdriver at the rear end and tilt it down. This should force the lock on the front side to lift and release the plug. Then pull the headlight forward and remove it. After removing and installing the headlight, it is best to have the headlight range checked in a workshop. When reinstalling, check that the headlight is correctly seated in the lower guide.
Low beam, high beam.
A D1S xenon bulb is installed as low and high beam. Remove the cover on the back. First, unplug the burner, press the lock to the side and pull out the plug. Then turn the bulb to the left to release it from the reflector. There is still a plastic ring on the bulb. You have to mount this on the new bulb. There is a small hook on the top. Free the hook and remove or remount the ring. When replacing the xenon lamp, never touch the glass body. And logically only carry out the replacement with the headlights/ignition switched off, i.e. without power. When replacing the xenon burner, it is also recommended to swap both sides. Otherwise, problems could arise during checking due to different luminosity.
Turn signal.
A PSY24W is installed as a turn signal light. Loosen the hard plastic cover on the back by turning. Remove the socket with the bulb from the reflector by turning it. There is a small lock on the side of the plug. Press and then pull the bulb out. When reinstalling, make sure that the bulb can only be reconnected in one position. All bulbs shown can be found as affiliate links in the description. That's it again. Good luck doing it yourself.